Yes, sir. We are back. Welcome back, you guys. Before we start this video, smash the like button. You feel what I'm saying? Because we going crazy. Subscribe if you guys are new, so you guys don't miss out on any of this lit content. You feel what I'm saying? Now let's jump into this video. I don't want to keep y'all waiting, so let's get it. He started the video off William. Bingo. We got action. He's going through them gears quick. Y'all seen him? Y'all seen him? Dun, 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 dun. He on a mission to get away. They must be behind him. Yep, he right there. 12. Oh, he pulled over.
And you will respect my authority.
Wait a second, wait. Bro, cause I'm not gonna lie. Yo, like that same situation right there happened to me. Like, do you actually think I'm finna just let you walk up to me like a bot?
Stupid.
Man, you gotta be crazy, bro. I'm gone, boy. Bro really pulled over and got out the car like he was gonna let him walk up to him. Like you, bro. Yo, the cops is crazy. Then he starts willing. Disrespectful is he on madness right now. I wonder like where this is at. There's mad open like straightaways. I mean, that's another thing though. Before we continue, you're not winning on these straightaways with 12. I promise you that now. You're not gonna win. You're not gonna win. They're in cars, they're in SUVs that go 160 miles per hour, bro. You're not. These bikes only go 60, 70 miles per hour. You're not winning on a straightaway, bro. So you bets to have some type of moves in your bag, bro. You better have something inside that hat that you could pull out and escape. And escape 12. Dig into your little magic hat, you feel what I'm saying? Pull out whatever you got and get missing, bro. Because these straightaways is not it. I'm telling you right now. You're not gonna win. Trust me. He going through them gears though, I ain't gonna lie. He trying to blow the 450 up. You're not losing sight of the cops on the straightaway like this, bro. You gotta hit them with some type of move, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You see what I mean? Oh, he pulled over. He pulled over.
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Bro. Did he just hit him with the same move twice? Bro, you gotta be real stupid. You gotta be a stupid cop to get hit with the same thing twice in one chase. In one chase. That wasn't even 5 minutes. That was less than 120 seconds, bro. He got hit with the same move 2 times. And then this rioter pulled off William again. He did this before. This is not his first rodeo. He did this before. He's shaking his head. Stupid. He like, you're not catching me. Not today. He right behind him though. That's what I'm trying to tell you. These straightaways. Stay away from straightaways, y'all. If you're getting chased by 12, don't. Straightaways ain't it. And do not go down no dead end. It's quiet. He literally right there. He's shaking his head. He's still chasing me. Bro, he wants you. Bro, if he hits him with the same... Yeah, he on him. He on him this time. He not going for that no more. If you, like... If he would have got hit with the same thing 3 times, I would have turned the video off because that just means you're just stupid. He is bugging. Bro is tweaking on. Finally, he went off road. Like, I don't know why he ain't do that the first time. Like I said, this ain't his first rodeo. He know what he doing. He willying on the cops, all types of stuff. Where's he going? He went to go pick cotton. Oh! That a cotton field? Bruh. Y'all better cut it out. Cut it out. Y'all crazy. That was smart. He turned his bike off to listen.
Bruh. Really, nigga?
Bro just fell. What, man? He getting sloppy. He got missing on him though, I ain't gonna lie. He definitely got missing. The cop was on the walkie-talkie like, I got a rider on a yellow dirt bike. He disappeared into the tall grass. Bro got missing on him in a field, like. Bro really got missing on him though, I ain't gonna lie. What? Did he just... So instead of the cops looking for him, he went looking for the cop. Bro, what? How do you go looking for the cops? That's crazy. I told y'all. He did this before, bro. I want to know how he gets away though. Like, this is water, buddy. Don't you even do it. Cal, he in the country, bro. Bro, he's in that same spot again? Isn't that same spot? Oh. Oh, he hit him with some... Oh, he did some shit to him. He popped over the little curb. You feel me? And starts wheeling again. He definitely did that more than once. Y'all see him? Wheeling on the cops? Searching for the cops? Like, he went searching for 12. Like, how do you do that, bro? They were both playing hide and seek. The cop lost.
Oh!
So they switched sides. He went looking for the cop. Bro, what? Man, listen. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button. Subscribe if you guys are new. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog, y'all. Peace.